Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for today's video. So happy you're here. Hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe button. We do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. So please do stick around. For today, I am kicking off my outfit of the day, what I wore video. It is Sunday morning, beautiful outside. The sun is shining. It is in the mid 60s. It's going to get up to the mid 70s. And the sidekicks and I have a lot of work to do today. We have Sunday is the weekend is typically when I do most of my videos. So I didn't have a chance to get any done yesterday because I had a road trip. And so we got to get it all done today. These two don't look like they're ready to go, do they? So with that in mind, as usual, I picked an easy wear outfit. I have on a Skies Are Blue dress from Wantable, paired it with my Tory Burch Miller silver sandals. It's going to be nice outside today. And I chose White House Black Market earrings that I just actually got. And that is it. Nice and easy today. I have some fun videos planned for you. Hoping to get a good portion of them filmed today. So we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday. It always comes so fast, it feels like. Beautiful day outside, 72 degrees, sunny, gorgeous, gonna get up to 75. Wife's joining me. Sina sleeps so soundly now. She's so sweet. So I didn't wake her up to have her come upstairs and do outfit of the day with me today. For today, I chose my Michael Stars tank. I did throw my white Beyond Yoga sports bra underneath it so you can kind of see it a little bit, but my regular bra was sticking out and it was bothering me, so I threw on my sports bra. Paired it with my Chaser skirt. I also have the same fabric in the jogger. I love these. It's so comfortable for all day. And then put on, of course, my clear sandals one more time. These shoots that are a go-to for me these last couple summers. And for this morning, it was a little bit cooler. I grabbed my cut from the cloth denim jacket. Got this in a Trendsend. I think I got the tank and the skirt on my own at the Evereve store. And then for jewelry, I threw on a Glamour Jewelry Box set. So the necklace and the earrings are Glamour Jewelry Box. And that's it for today. What do you think, Wyatt? All right, we got to get back to work. Hope everyone's week is starting off fabulous, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, right? I had to think what day. I wanted to say Wednesday, yikes. It is only Tuesday. It is beautiful outside. We need to go outside, don't we, see? It is lunchtime. It is 73. It's going to get up to 77. Sun is shining, gorgeous. I wish I was in the pool because it is that nice out. It was that nice out yesterday. But of course for the weekend it's supposed to be like crappy. Rain, 60, yucky. Of course, huh, see? But beautiful. It is beautiful today. So I'm hoping maybe the forecast changes. Today I am wearing a dress from Trendsend that I got last year. Love this easy one and done dress. Gives the fall vibes, but still for warm weather. Paired it though with my lucky booty, little open-toed booties that I'm loving right now. And I didn't wear much jewelry today. I have on hoops that I got in a Glamour Jewelry Box and my necklace that I don't know where I got it right now. I can't remember. And that's my outfit for today. I didn't go too crazy. Hope you check out today's video. It's the Glossy Box Advent Calendar, which is amazing. 27 products that you get to open for 25 days, although I ripped through it all, of course, for you for the video, and that's probably what I would have done anyway. Makes an amazing gift. So many awesome things. Great variety. So please do check it out. And yesterday, if you didn't see yesterday's Mott and Bow, I styled some of their most amazing basics for fall. So I hope you check those both out. And we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. I gotta get Sienna a treat. Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. We made it to hump day. It is a cloudy day today. In fact, that's what it actually says on my phone, cloudy. 66 degrees. Gonna get a high 72, so it's a bit cooler. And for today's outfit, I chose a couple items from my shopping haul, which I guess I'm giving you a sneak peek because I think this video is probably gonna post before I share my road trip video with you. Yeah, so these are from, I mentioned in my last outfit of the day video, Linda and I were going on a shopping trip, road trip, day trip. And I did buy only 3 items, which is actually pretty good because I was so excited that I had shopping bags. I bought 4 items. I bought 4 items. Oh, I'm so excited. So I will share those with you, all of 4 items in the in that day trip video. But I'm going to share, you're going to get a sneak peek of 2 of them right now. All right, so for today I chose this really pretty White House Black Market sweater tank. Love this. You might remember it from my last White House Black Market video. And then I paired it with these pair of denim from Express. Linda and I both bought these. It'll be nice to see them on both of us because this is their flex denim. So we bought different sizes and they flex across sizes. So I have on the small that flexes 0 to 4. And they're very, very comfortable and they do fit really well. So I really liked these. We got them, I think, for 40% off, and then we had a coupon, so super cheap. I want to say they started at something like $89, and then it was 40% off, and then we had a coupon for another like $15 off. I don't know. I got them for like $37. And then I paired it with shoes from a trunk club. I'm all green today. These are from Vince Camuto. And a jacket, a jean jacket, a camo jean jacket from Liverpool. This I also purchased on our trip. This matches the Liverpool joggers that I got from Wantable that I'm in love with. In fact, I had the joggers hanging right beside this jacket, so that's how I know it matches them perfectly. So I just couldn't pass it up. Found it at Bloomingdale's, got it on sale, opened a card, the whole deal. So 25% off, another 20% off, awesome deal. Had to have it. So love this whole green combo I got going on here today. Super comfortable, love Liverpool jean jackets. And then for jewelry, I put on my latest Rocksbox set. So the necklace, the ring, and the earrings. How pretty are these earrings? And that's my outfit for today. All right, so my day trip shopping with Linda will hopefully post here in a couple of days. I still have to wrap that one up and pull it all together. So you'll probably see that one right after, I'm guessing right after this video. All right, we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. It's like I'm asking you the question, is it Thursday? I think so. It's Thursday. It's supposed to be another really nice day. It's 63 right now. 75 for a high it's supposed to get up to. And let's see, very busy day today. So I chose my, what's this called? Bodysuit. I'm like, what is this called? I chose this bodysuit that I got from Stitch Fix. So not used to the snaps at the bottom when I go to the bathroom, but it's cute. So I love that it stays tucked in. I don't have to do like a front tuck or worry about it. It just stays tucked in. It has this wonderful, very comfy, stretchy fabric. So it is a really nice, comfy one. I'm glad I kept it. I put it on with a denim skirt from Liverpool that I believe I got in a mix and match box once upon a time. I still miss that subscription. And a cardigan from Sanctuary that I got in a Trendsend. And my shoes, you guys love these. I bring these out like all the time. I'm still gonna get as much use out of these halogen slides as I can. I thought about putting on my tan ones because I have ones the same exact color, but I kind of like the yellow surprise, right? And for jewelry, this necklace is from Stella Dot. My earrings are just gold hoops my husband bought me, and I put on my bracelet set from Evereve. And that is everything for today. What do you think, buddy? So Zena is in her bed. She didn't want to leave. She's been cozy in there today. Today I posted a video with 3 unboxings. I had fun with those. 3 different unboxings. I love all 3, so I had fun with them. I hope you check it out. And we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit, right, buddy? Hey, everybody. Guess what? We made it to Friday, which means happy dance day. Wyatt is in the mood. He's not even like stiffening up today. He must be getting ready. He must be used to these happy dance days. It is another super warm day. Huh, Wyatt? We need to mute some music. Huh? If only I could sing. But I can't. You all do not want to hear me. What do you think, Wyatt? Oh, he is like into it today. We have no Zena. She is sound asleep. This dog her hearing is starting to go, and she sleeps very, very soundly. Like, I actually have to like slowly wake her up because she gets scared. Huh? Yeah, poor Zizi, huh? So we left her be today. Wyatt and I, we're doing the happy dance on our own, huh? It's been a week, so we're glad it is Friday, aren't we? He's so silly. It's super warm today, but it's supposed to start raining and then rain all through tomorrow and be so much cooler, of course, because it's going to be the weekend, and the temperatures are going to drop. So from 80 today, tomorrow is going to be like 64. Oh, it makes me laugh. How's everybody doing? You ready for the weekend? Yep, so for today's outfit, I chose a Bailey 44 dress that I found in my closet that I got in a Trendsend. I don't think it was last year. I actually think it was the year before. So I think it was one of my earlier Trendsend boxes, and I still had the tags on it, so I knew I had to wear it. It's like the perfect fall dress when it's still warm outside. And then you could just throw a jean jacket on. I think I have a Wyatt hair on my face. My lips here. And then you can always throw a jean jacket on over it, which I don't need yet, or a blazer or something else, right? So I really like it. Went with my clear sandals. Didn't want to add anything more to the striping of this. It has like that horizontal, or I'm sorry, the diagonal striping going on. And I put on my Rocksbox necklace, which I'm loving. My earrings are from White House Black Market, and I have a bracelet on my mom gave me. My mom, unfortunately, has lymphedema really bad in her arm, so she can't really wear bracelets anymore, so she's been clearing out all of her bracelets and giving them to me. So this is one that she gave me. And I think that's it for my outfit for today. Wyatt thinks we're in for the long haul. We do have a video we need to do. My Trendsend is here. So I'm going to try to hurry up and do that today at some point and hopefully post it for you tomorrow, because I have to decide. I think my box is due back. It's been looking at me all week and teasing me. So it's my reward for making it to Friday. I'm going to do my Trendsend today. Can't wait. My Stitch Fix with Linda posted today. Hope you check that one out. We both got some really great pics. And I don't think I have any other boxes I need to fill you in on this week. So I hope everyone is doing fabulous, and we'll be back tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for a final outfit of the day. It is a rainy, dark, dismal day outside. 63 degrees, it's supposed to get up to 70, but it's supposed to rain most of the day. So let's see, I have to tell you what Linda and I kept from our Stitch Fix boxes. So Linda got a fabulous box, and she kept all 5. Those jeans looked amazing on her. Both tops were beautiful. She loved the coral cardigan. The darker cardigan she wasn't sure about, but it was definitely worth keeping to get the discount. So she kept all 5. For me, I really thought my stylist did an amazing job. I could have also had a 5 for 5. However, I was very concerned about the Saltwater Luxe cardigan. It came with a snag. I was afraid it was going to continue to snag, so I did not keep it. Therefore, it kind of changes how you think, right? Since you know you're not going to get a discount. So I didn't keep the boots, even though I liked everything about them. But I haven't had a lot of great luck with that particular brand. So I did not keep them. And I did not keep the striped sweater. I thought it was cute. I liked it. I didn't love it. So I returned the sweater. But I did keep the shacket. The price was really good. It wasn't that expensive at all. I think it was $45 or something. So I did keep it. And then I also kept the Liverpool joggers. Okay. Today my Trendsend posted. It is so good. My stylist did an amazing job. I hope you check it out. I need help. I have to figure out how to narrow that box down because I could easily keep everything and be incredibly happy, and I just can't do it. All right, today's outfit. My friend and I are off to go do some returns. So we're going to the mall and then hopefully do lunch. So I chose a pair of coated pants that are cut from the cloth. I actually got from the Evereve store. I really wanted these. I had them on my wish list, but I think my size just wasn't available. They were sold out, so I had actually put myself on notify me when available, and as soon as they became available, I purchased them. Couldn't find them at Nordstrom, couldn't find them on the Cut from the Cloth site. So when I finally got a chance to purchase them, I did. Love them. They have like little zippers at the ankles. They're great. And then I paired them with a tank from Chaser and a jacket from Cut from the Cloth, both from a Trendsend. Put on my Dolce Vita mules I got last year, I'm pretty sure from Nordstrom, and my jewelry. But this set is the Michelle set from Luisa. I love this set. My earrings, you've seen, they're cut from the, yeah, they're cut from the cloth. No, they're from my Rocksbox this week. Love this set. And these earrings are probably going to stay with me, but I've liked everything I got in that, that set. But these earrings are great. My cuff is Luisa. And let's see, my bracelets are Evereve. And that's my outfit this week. Can you tell this is the first time I've talked this morning? That's my outfit for today. And the final outfit for this week. I think that's what I was trying to say. Wow, I need to go get some caffeine. Okay, that is a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll list all my outfits down below. If I can put a link to the exact item, I will. I'll let you know if it came from a box and list all the boxes for you to check those out if you'd like to. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Please do comment down below and tell me what your favorite outfit was this week. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Please hit that like if you enjoyed this. Would love you to hang out, hit that subscribe. It helps me keep doing this. And until next time, bye-bye, everybody.